Alright guys, how's it going? Thank you to everybody who took part in Blender Royale last night. 9 PM every single Monday. Congratulations to the winners. Team 4, Andreas, Ben and RoboSpunk, what a name. Visit deletecube.com in order to download all the files. Enjoy the highlights. Take care.
RoboSpunk, we still can't really hear you.
Oh, I love the internet.
Steven, tell all the other teams that our team's better than them because they're muted on my side.
Devonshire,
Are
would you
we-
like to please join our team?
Yes, I'm in.
Yay!
Sorry, Doug,
Welcome
but I
to the
got on
team.
mute.
I like
Oh,
it,
yeah.
but I feel like you spent maybe a little bit too much time on
You
it.
can just pick it, can't you?
Maybe.
Yeah, like that, and then select interior faces.
I don't want to rush you guys or anything,
Right.
but you have 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Oh,
Oh my god, whenever Steven starts talking about time, I start missing like every button press.
Dre's, what should I do next once I get the file?
Oh, that's right. I have this turned on. That's what's happening. I'm so stupid. All right.
come on.
So it's like becoming more low poly.
Just do blanket materials of everything, and then we should be okay from there doing the fine detail.
Do the cherries look like cherries?
Maybe turn up the light on the screen, have it like cast some rays or something.
I think it was maybe Chebychev set with randomness to 0, I think. I'm not sure.
Okay, that's looking good.
Oh, what the heck? All of my hotkeys and everything are broken.
Do you want some encouragement?
Yeah.
I've seen your videos and my recommendations.
I think when I get the file, I'll work on some surface imperfections,
Probably needs to.
and then we'll be golden.
You have 10 seconds, Andreas. 8,
Oh,
10
7,
seconds. Oh wow.
6, 5, 4, 3,
Uh,
2,
We're good.
1.
do the sharp finger that you
whatever.
Time is up.
Oh my god, that felt like such a short 6 minutes.
Yeah, I know, that's because I muted and I was talking to myself for about 6 minutes.
Okay.